In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a 2000 word article in 10 minutes or less using Jasper AI. So hey, my name is Kunal and I know that a lot of people struggle with writing articles. It can be really time consuming and frustrating. So that's why I am so excited to show you how you can use Jasper AI to do all the hard work for you. In just 10 minutes or less, you can have a high quality well-researched article that is ready to be published. If you are interested in picking this up at any given time, just click the link in the description and you'll be taken to their website. So come with me into the Jasper AI world and let me show you how it's done. So this is the dashboard of Jasper AI, and on the left hand side there are multiple options. So I'll select the templates for this video, and for this video I'm going to go in blog section. So if you see here, so there are multiple options here like Amazon product description, Google My Business, photo post caption, video script outline, video titles. There are multiple options here. So I've already made a detailed video on all this. You can just check it out on my YouTube channel. So for this video, I'm just going to select this blog. And I'm going to show you like blog post topic, blog outline, then intro paragraph, conclusion. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can use Jasper AI to write a complete article. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this blog intro paragraph here. So here, as you can see, you just have to write the title here. Like I'm just writing here, how to lose belly fat. So this is the title here, and you can just mention your audience here. So as of now, I'll just keep it as it is, and you can also change the tone of voice here. So whether you want friendly, angry, polite, I'll just keep casual here, and here you can do the setting here. So how many outputs you want here, I've just selected 2 here and click on generate AI content. So as you can see, 2 paragraphs have been generated. So are you looking to blast away belly fat? Are you confused about the best way to do it? So either you can use this one or this one. You can just go through the paragraph here and accordingly select your paragraph. The one thing is, when you go for a starter plan, okay, you don't get the long form editor. So long form editor is only available in boss mode. So as of now, what I'll do is I'll just go to the, so this is the document editor here, and this one is the focus mode and this one is the power mode. So if I select the power mode here, okay, so the first thing we are going to do is we are just going to write the intro paragraph here. So on the left hand side, as you can see, this is blog post intro paragraph. Okay, so how to lose belly fat fast, and you can keep the audience as it is. So if you want to like target it for a particular audience, you can just write it like marketers, moms, Bitcoin holders. So for this one, it's a general public, so I'll keep it as it is, and I'll keep the tone of voice as friendly, and you can just generate content here. The number of outputs you can select here. I'll click on generate AI content. So as you can see, this is the output here. So if you don't like the output, okay, you can again click on generate content and Jasper will again create a new intro paragraph. So I'll just paste it here. Okay, so this is the intro paragraph here. So the next thing what we want is outline. So I'll just click on blog post outline, and here you just need to enter the title here. So the title is how to lose belly fat fast, and tone of voice will be friendly, and I'll just select the output for 1 only and generate AI content. Okay, so this is the output here. So as you can understand the different types of belly fat and how they are caused, follow a healthy diet and exercise regime to lose weight and reduce. So I can use this one. Okay, so I'll just paste it here. So these are all the outlines here. So what I'll do is I'll just give it H2 here. So these are all H2 headings. So next what you have to do is you have to just copy this one. Okay, and next you have to go to this paragraph generator, and here you need to just mention it, like understand the different types of belly fat and how they are caused. Okay, and keywords to include here. Okay, so the main keyword will be here belly fat. Okay, I'll just copy it here, and tone of voice will be friendly. You can also adjust the output length here. This is shorter, this is medium, and this is longer. Okay, so accordingly Jasper will give you the output here. So next I'll just click on generate content. So this is the content here. When most people think of belly fat, they think of the extra padding around the waistline. Okay, so the quality is good. So next I'll just copy it and I'll just paste it here. Okay, so next what you have to do is just go to the second point and just enter it here. Follow a healthy diet and exercise regime to lose weight. Okay, I'll just enter a few keywords also. Okay, so this will be same. So if you want to just a shorter length, you can just click on S here and click on generate AI content. So this is the output. If you are looking to lose weight and reduce belly fat, following a healthy diet and regime is essential. Okay, I'll just copy this one and paste it here. Okay, so similarly you can do this for this points also. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you the conclusion. Okay, so you just have to go to blog post conclusion paragraph here, and what are the main points or outline of your blog post. Okay, so you just need to mention it, like it's important to follow the mentioned steps to reduce or to lose belly fat. Okay, you can also add call to action here. Okay, so like doing exercise, drinking plenty of water. Okay, so tone of voice, I'll just keep it as it is, and I'll change it to, yeah, I'll keep it shorter here, and generate AI content. So let's change it to medium. Okay, so this is not something I want, so I'll just do it again. So this is good. Okay, so I'll just copy it here and I'll paste it here. So this is the conclusion. So you can just change it to H2 here, conclusion, and this is the conclusion paragraph. So almost you can see within 5 minutes you have written almost 600 words article. Okay, so in less than 15 to 20 minutes you can definitely write a 2000 words article in no time. So there you go guys, Jasper is a really awesome AI writing tool with which you can create wonderful content, and I would seriously recommend it to anybody who wants to create original blog posts, social media content, emails and much more in just few seconds. So if you are interested in Jasper, check the link in the description below. That will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.